Okay, so now we've got the pulley in there. I've got this thing threaded up a bit. Okay, now you notice the timing's off. This side's correct. So we'll shove the mirror there. We can show them the mirror. Okay, the mirror you can see the green dots here line up. Okay, green dot there lines up, but look here. See, this one is off. This one's off here. And right now the spring isn't on there. So how do we correct that, boys? What we're going to do, we're going to slacken the belt off and just turn the pulley and then put the tension back there. Right now it's got no spring on there, and it's off by, I think, 2 teeth. So what we'll do, we'll calculate it, and we'll say, okay, it's off by, we'll go 1 teeth forward, and we'll see where she wants to land up. So what I'll do, I'll just slip the belt off very carefully. We're going to keep tension on all the other side. We only want to loosen up this side. Okay, so I'm going to go 1 teeth out again. I'm going to see where this wants to sit, what she wants to do. And I'll see there. Now she is almost ready to be timed. So but when you put tension on it, I don't know if I can show you that. When we guys put tension on it, now she's lining up. Okay, now she's online. So she is still 1 teeth out. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to go 1 teeth forward, and to measure that, what we'll do, very easy, guys. Put your screwdriver, run your screwdriver through this line, and you see, I'll get a small one. You just put your screwdriver in there, you can see the indicator. It's clearly off by 1 teeth. So, get 1 teeth back. 1 teeth back and that, again. And this is all the fun of the double timing belt system for the balance shaft. Okay, so we don't want to disturb anything. Just go 1 back, and then go on it again. Hopefully we haven't ended up in the same spot, which I believe we have. We'll do it again. And just got to be careful we don't mess up anything else. Okay, that's 1 more teeth. Let's see what happens. We're going to go another teeth back. Okay, and this is the art of it. And I believe, unless we haven't gone, we have gone 1 teeth forward. Now we have gone 1 teeth forward, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, sorry. Putting tension on that will make it out of whack by 1 teeth. So we're going to reline it up again. It's fiddly. It's fiddly. Wait till we get to the main belt. Just double check that. We're spot on the mark now. Are we? No, we're not. We're a bit off, and you gotta keep playing with that. And I'm showing you guys, this is what happens. I've done this heaps of times, but it's just one of those things with it. Actually, you're going to get the screwdriver back in there. Happens every day. gonna go one teeth forward again. And you pretty much smack on. Now you can put your screwdriver straight through here. You can look at that line there. So I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but now that screwdriver is lining up straight there. So what we can go ahead and do, we'll show you another video on how to put the spring in.